Have you ever wondered if you're throwing away one of the best free fertilizers for your garden every single day? Most people toss eggshells straight into the trash without realizing they're packed with valuable nutrients that can help plants grow stronger and healthier. Today, we're going to explore how eggshells can benefit your garden, the science behind why they work, the best ways to use them, and some common mistakes gardeners make when using eggshells. Let's get started. Eggshells are made up of about 95% calcium carbonate, the same compound found in agricultural lime. Calcium is an essential nutrient for plants. It helps build strong cell walls, supports root development, and improves overall plant health. When plants don't get enough calcium, they can develop problems such as blossom end rot in tomatoes, blossom end rot in peppers, weak plant growth, poor fruit quality. Instead of buying expensive calcium supplements for your garden, you may already have a free source sitting in your kitchen. Every eggshell you save can contribute valuable nutrients back to your soil. The biggest benefit of eggshells is their calcium content. As the shells slowly break down, they release calcium into the soil, making it available to plant roots. This is especially helpful for crops like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, squash. Crushed eggshells can improve soil structure over time. They help create small air pockets in the soil, improving drainage and root growth. Using eggshells in the garden is an excellent way to recycle kitchen waste. Instead of sending them to a landfill, you're turning trash into a useful gardening resource. Eggshells are a great addition to compost piles. They add minerals and help create a more balanced compost that benefits your garden later. Many gardeners make the mistake of tossing whole eggshells directly into the garden. While this isn't harmful, whole shells can take years to fully decompose. First, rinse the eggshells thoroughly to remove any egg residue. Once dry, crush them into small pieces or grind them into a fine powder using a blender, coffee grinder, or food processor. A fine powder. The finer the powder, the faster the calcium becomes available to your plants. This simple step dramatically improves their effectiveness. Before planting, mix powdered eggshells directly into the soil. This gives roots access to calcium as plants grow. I just mix the crushed eggshells right into the soil. Sprinkle crushed eggshell powder around the base of established plants. Watering will help nutrients gradually move into the soil. Eggshells are perfect for compost bins. Crush them first to speed up decomposition. Some gardeners use half eggshells as biodegradable seed starting containers. Once seedlings are ready, the entire shell can be planted in the garden.
The next time you make breakfast, don't throw those eggshells away. Your garden might be able to put them to much better use.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardeners. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.